Hello children, Sairam. Welcome back to Social Studies class. This is chapter 15, Natural Disasters, part 7. Children, in our today's class, we are going to discuss on tsunami. Children, here is the spelling of tsunami. T is silent, okay? T-S-U-N-A-M-I, tsunami. Okay. What is a tsunami? A tsunami is a series of very high waves created by some disturbance under the sea, such as underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides. Okay, children? That means a tsunami is a large wave usually caused by an underwater, okay, that is earthquake or a volcanic explosion. Waves in a tsunami can range in height from 1 meter to 20 meters or even more, as we can see here in the image. Children, see the height of the waves over here. Okay, the waves in a tsunami can range in height from 1 meter to 20 meters or even more. They travel very fast, up to hundreds of kilometers an hour. Okay, they travel so fast that in an hour they can cover up to hundreds of kilometers. Okay, so therefore they strike suddenly and cause a great damage. One of the biggest natural disasters ever was the tsunami that hit several countries of South and Southeast Asia. Okay? Which is the place, children? Yes. South and Southeast Asia on 26th December 2004. Children, the tsunami was so big that almost 3 lakh people were killed. How many? Yes, 3 lakh people were killed in this disaster. Now, there is a system called tsunami warning systems. So, this system intimates about the tsunami in advance. Okay, that tsunami is going to hit very soon. Okay, so tsunami warning systems warn of tsunamis in advance. So what happens once the warnings are given? Yes, once the warnings are received, then the people living near the coastal areas, what happens? It is very dangerous for them, isn't it? Correct? So the people who are living near the coastal areas, they are shifted to the safer places. That is to the higher grounds. And they are asked to stay there until it is considered to be safe. Okay, so that's it with the topic tsunami. So children, we have covered with all the natural disasters. Okay, now our last topic is, that is, relief work during a natural calamity. Let us see. The government organizes relief work for the victims of a natural calamity. As we saw earlier, besides the government, the NGOs, that is also called as non-government organizations, okay, so several non-government organizations, which is also called as NGOs, are also involved in helping the people during the natural calamities. Okay, so some of the NGOs, that is non-government organizations, are Red Cross Society, World Health Organization, that is WHO, United Nations Children's Fund, that is UNICEF. Okay, so these are some of the non-government organizations who come forward and take initiative in helping the victims. Now children, tell me, is it only government's duty or non-government organizations' duty to help the people who are affected? Is it only their duty? Yes, it is their duty, but apart from them, it is even our duty to help the victims, isn't it? It is also the duty of all of us to help as much as we can by doing voluntary work. Isn't it, children? Yes. It is our duty also to help the people who are in need. We could also contribute money, food, and clothes to the agencies involved in relief work. Okay, we can donate money, we can even donate food, clothes when these kind of natural calamities occur. Okay, children, here we come to an end of this chapter. Okay, I hope all the concepts and terms are clear to you. Now let us summarize the chapter. Here are the points I want you all to read along with me. Okay, number 1, natural events that cause damage to human life and property are called as natural disasters. Number 2, earthquakes are caused by sudden movements below the earth's surface. Number 3, heavy rains or melting snow cause rivers to overflow their banks, flooding nearby areas. Next point, cyclones are high winds accompanied by heavy rain. They cause flooding and widespread destruction in coastal areas. Number 5, failure of rains can lead to a drought. Point 6. A tsunami is a series of very high waves in the sea created by undersea disturbances. Point 7. Several government and non-government organizations organize relief work during a natural disasters. That's it, children. So do read the entire chapter. Okay, in our next class we will discuss the objectives of this chapter, okay, which is there in the textbook at the end of this chapter. Okay, so keep your answers ready. We will discuss in the next class. Okay, until then, do take care of yourself and goodbye.